Can I earn $500 in a week from Quora? Earning money directly from Quora is not a typical or straightforward process. Quora does not have a tool to indirectly promote and monetize your expertise in various ways. Here are some potential approaches. Drive traffic to your blog or website if you have a blog or website where you generate income. Through ads, affiliate marketing, or product sales, you can use Quora to drive traffic to your site. Provide valuable answers to questions and include links to relevant articles on your blog. Offer consulting services. If you are an expert in a particular field, you can use Quora to showcase your expertise and offer consulting services. Include a link to your consulting website or contact information in your Quora profile. Affiliate marketing. If you have relevant products or services you want to promote, you can include affiliate links in your answers. When people click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Online courses or ebooks. If you create educational content, you can use Quora to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Mention your online courses or ebooks in your answers to direct interested users to your products. Build a personal brand. Use Quora to build your personal brand and increase your visibility. This can lead to opportunities such as speaking engagements, collaborations, or partnerships that may bring in income. It's essential to adhere to Quora's guidelines and policies when using the platform. Additionally, be genuine and focus on providing valuable information rather than solely trying to promote products or services. While it may be challenging to earn a specific amount like $500 in a week directly from Quora, using the platform strategically can contribute to your overall online presence and income-generating efforts.